God bless all the beautiful people of the Lord. Today I want to talk about kids, young girls being sexually active. You know, the parents don't know. Maybe they do. Maybe they don't. Some parents decide to put their kids and have the depot shot, some type of, prevention, which is fine. It's better prevented than have an abortion or doing something silly. But if you're one of those person that you are pregnant right now, you know how many females, you know how many couples want to have kids and then they cannot have kids. You could give your kid up alive. Don't throw them in the garbage. You know how many girls have gotten away with murdering their own kids, going through 9 months of pregnancy to then dispose of the kid, burying them, flushing them, doing God knows, Jesus Christ. The devil is so bad that anybody's capable of anything. There is help out there. There is help for you out there. Get prevention. You don't need to be having sex unprotected, first of all. And then having intercourse, having sex, and then getting pregnant, and then doing something, I'm going to say it, something stupid. You know? You already done it. You already have sex, unprotected. And then some people don't think, some girls don't think, thank God, I just got pregnant, I didn't get HIV or herpes or some type of STD. You know? And if you have an STD, go to the hospital. There is antibiotics, there is help. Except for HIV and herpes. But there is medication. But I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about you, by any chance, getting pregnant by accident. It's not by accident because you have an intercourse, but you getting pregnant and not knowing what to do. What's the worst that your mother, your father can do? Beat you up? Hit you? Throw you out of the house? Maybe, quizá, perhaps, who knows? But there's a lot of help out there. You know? There is a lot of help out there. And if you think that there is no help, call 911. Call 911. And if you don't want to get pregnant because, abortion this, abortion that, I'm pro-abortion. If you pro-abortion, why don't you get protection? Why don't you protect yourself? And like that, there is no situation of having an abortion. If you having unprotected sex, you know the consequences. Either you get an STD or you get pregnant. Plain and simple. There is help out there. God loves you. Jesus loves you. And I'm talking too much. You could comment down below. What do you think? What will you do if you get pregnant and you don't want the baby? First of all, I'm not judging you. Me judging you? Trust me. Been there. But there is help. There is help. And if you're big enough to have intercourse if you don't know what's the word intercourse. So if you're big enough to be having sex, so you are big enough to see the consequences, especially if it's unprotected sex. God bless you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And you are beautiful. And we are not perfect. We're not perfect. Whoever is so saint here, come on, throw the first rock. Throw the first rock. Because you never lie. That's the biggest sin. Because you never lie and you are a saint. Throw the first rock. And for you, if you are going through some tough situation, there is help out there. It's not the end of the world. Jesus Christ. Don't harm yourself. It's not the end of the world. Okay? There is help out there. Trust me. God bless you.